All right, Chuck, let's play with your giraffe. Ready? Hi, I'm a giraffe. It's so nice to see you. It's I like to eat babies for lunch, but never mind. Wait, you want to come over here? Look. Ooh, can you roll? Over here. Ready? Okay, roll for it, Chuck. Hi. You can do it, buddy. Can you roll? Roll for it. Maybe next time? Maybe next time?